Yo, Mr. Ezekiel Mutua, I just want to tell you, people may not like you, people may talk bad about you, but you're doing a good job. And today, I've just woken up and felt like God has spoken to me to tell you, please do us a favor. You need to ban all the music that has bad content. Kama hii song ya Willy Paul na Nadia Mukami, nataka uiban na kuomba uiban. Kwa sababu Willy Paul alikuwa ni msanii wa Kikristo ambaye ameasi, wanaimba nyimbo, wanatoa video. Please have a look at it, Mr. Ezekiel Mutua. Help us bring sanity. Najua watu watakuchukia, but venye umesema tu juzi kwa post yako, they may love you one day when they are children. Please help us ban Willy Paul. Willy Paul is a bad seed in this industry. Mr. Ezekiel Mutua, please ban Willy Paul. Hii song yake na Nadia Mukami, just ban it.